Right, there's a crack. It starts here, and it runs down, 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 and we're going to take the tape all the way. So the way this works is, oh my gosh, where's the tape? Where's the tape? No, so that's the one we use. Oh, yeah. Okay. And this is drywall tape. And first you put the epoxy down, then you put this down, then you put more epoxy over it, and you have a fixed pot. All right.
Explain the epoxy.
And here is what you use. PC7. And here's the black version. This is the part B. See, you have part A and part B. And epoxy, you need both. And this thing, after we fix it, it's going to be better than new. Nothing breaks that bond. Okay, you need lots, right? Lots of it. Group it on like crazy, because we're going to squish it. Squish, squish, squish.
And do we need to save some for a
Yeah, take it, yes.
Okay.
That's why it takes a lot. Okay, so just spread that one out.
Okay.
All right. Oh, take this one all the way up here.
Okay.
Yeah, not over the top, just right there.
Okay.
All right.
Now, are you doing the sticky side down?
Yeah, sticky side down.
Sticky side down on
sticky
the tape.
Side down.
Okay.
And of course, I get my hands in it. I hate it. I so hate it. Ah! This is where I need a kindergartner to help me out. So goop all over it. I'm going to go wash my hands. Ah! I hate it. I hate it. I hate it.
And then here's a section that Eve did at home with her daughter-in-law. So you can see there was a huge piece taken out here, and they epoxied that whole thing in. So it does work.